In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Philips Linea M3301W cordless phone. The M3301 from Philips is a fixed-line cordless phone. Fixed phone usage has dropped to almost nothing in recent years, but many people like me have unlimited landline calls as part of their broadband package. So owning a landline handset makes economic sense. This Philips model is a very attractive, modern, sleek design. It's shaped like a circular column, so it takes up very little desk space. On the back of the handset is a speaker for hands-free usage and an LED indicator for the hearing impaired. The base station is magnetized to securely hold the handset in place while it's charging. The keypad feels a little spongy at first, especially if you're used to typing on a touchscreen, but it's pleasant enough to dial on. There's a high contrast monochrome display, which is very easy to read even in bright light. The battery gives you around 16 hours of talk time or 180 hours on standby, so you don't have to worry about the battery running down while the handset isn't charging. If you do lose the handset, there's a handy button on the dock that you can press to activate locate handset mode. Which plays a loud tune from the speaker to help you find it. The ringer volume can be set to one of 5 levels, and there's a selection of different ringtones to choose from. The maximum range is around 50 meters from the base station, so even if you have a big house, you don't have to worry about wandering too far and losing reception. The sound quality from the earpiece is very good, and the clean, minimalist design means that it looks right at home in a modern home or office. This white version is known as the M33001W, and there's also a black version available, which is the M33001B. I'll put links to both versions down in the video description below. This handset is definitely recommended if you're in the market for a high quality, modern design fixed telephone. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.